looking at me like you wanna be the one. Then you tell me that you're leaving in the morning. You really wanna start something now.
Welcome back to my channel. So today's wig is from Myfirstwig. This came in a bob style, so I'm just showing you guys the install and stuff. If you're interested in this wig, just know it is a 13x6, but you know some of the wigs, they stop like right here, so this one did stop right here. This wig does not have too much shedding or nothing like that, so if you're interested, I do recommend that you go ahead and get this wig, especially if you're a beginner. Everything came in the packaging, so it's easy for you to install. So I'm just going to show you guys what came in the packaging, and then the next clip will be me installing the hair. If you're interested, the links will be down below, so make sure you click my description box. Let's get into this video.
Could it be you calling me down? My foolish heart comes at the start. All that I have is all that you see. You don't need nobody else, and you're in this all on me. Could it be you calling me down? My foolish heart comes at the start. All that I have is all that you see. You don't need nobody else, and you're in this all on me. Could it be you calling me down? My foolish heart comes at the start. All that I have is all that you see. You don't need nobody else, and you're in this all on me. Could it be you calling me down? My foolish heart comes at the start. All that I have is all that you see. You don't need nobody else, and you're in this all on me.
Take a sip of 𝐷𝐸 like it's water. I've been on the mountain in the sand with your daughter. If she catch me cheating, I won't never tell her sorry. If she catch me cheating, I won't never tell her sorry. Bushes in the valley, I got Bentleys, I got Rarries. Taking pain pills on the plane, getting charged. Popping tags on tags, I'm starving. Bitch, I got the tubes and the carbon. Turn a 5-star hotel to a trap house. Roaches everywhere like we forgot to take the trash out. Love my cross with ice, getting money, my religion. Got my baby mama and my side bitch kissing. I turn a wrist into a lean house. This the 6th time getting kicked out. I can't feel my face, I'm on auto raw nauseous. Niggas tryna ride my fucking wave, now they saucy. I just took some mileage with us. Got some bitch with violence with us. She gon' fuck the squad with us. I'ma fuck her bras with us. Bitch from Pakistan with us. Ferraris in them nails with us. What if you these niggas a foul. Whoa, I put the hundreds of pounds. We better roll up some Frankie. Yeah. We better roll up some loud. Yeah. You better stay in your lane. Yeah. I'm swerving all over the mouth. Yeah. I got a pound of mania with a little pretty face all in my lap. Yeah. I let it go with the sex pills, having to run up some laps. Sometimes I go to Chanel and I'm sitting that bitch like it's a trap. Yeah. Rolex stores my bando. Going George Bush with the ammo. Yeah. I spit the ammo endo. Put it on the 18 wheeler. Breathe up. Rapping and rapping for this. Talk to her. I go beyond for the stroller. Editor. Reason and ice out your chest. Talk to her. You looking just like a jeweler. Yeah. Edit all up on the iPad. Editor. Talk to the plug on the car phone. Talk to her. In the Miami and read up. Rovers. Push. Run your money, I'm flipping in it. Aston Martin, I'm whipping in it. Chicken too specific. 10 black whips, I'm too consistent. Tell my foreign bitch. Tell me if I'm too persistent. All my baby Mars. I just bought a brand new. I need a power to turn. I'm out of fuck on the M. I need a power to turn. You need to get this on film. I'm about to push me away. You gon' catch me in the gym. I'm about to push me away. You gon' catch me in the gym. I'm a
looking at me like you wanna be the one. Then you tell me that you're leaving in the morning. You really wanna start something, you know. You're thinking of you, yeah. You're looking at me like you wanna be the one. Then you tell me that you're leaving in the morning. You really wanna start something, you know. You wanna be the one, then you tell me that you're leaving in the morning. You really wanna start something, you know. You're thinking of you, yeah. You're looking at me like you wanna be the one, then you tell me that you're leaving in the morning. You really wanna start something, you know. You thought I was finished, it's a glitch. Anything that I want.
Okay, you guys, so this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you enjoyed this look, because I know I don't do short hair at all. So this is my first little like bob wig that actually came as a bob. I did not cut it or anything. If you're a beginner and you're looking to install a frontal wig, I recommend this wig to start off with, to test it out, because it came nice and plucked. The lace does look a little bit dark because I did add my foundation in the lace, even though it was already brown. But yeah, this wig came perfect for a beginner. It's nice and highlighted, so if you wanted to do like a flip over type of look, you would be able to see it even more. But yeah, I will have my first wig links in my description box so you guys can check them out, and I'll definitely see you in my next one. Bye.
Let me tell you, you're looking at me like you wanna be the one. Then you tell me that you're leaving in the morning.